Ah! Taylor Swift. Oh. Taylor Swift! Taylor Swift is here. Hi everyone! So today we are back sa burger business natin. So, on my first video, someone commented that if I can turn this into a series. So, if I'm doing a series, magtatagalog po ako. So, yun. Natapos ko na yung tutorial and then i-open na natin to. Well, not really completed the tutorial, pero in-open na natin yung shop. So, yun na nga. Wait, I need... Oy, kailangan ko itapon to, boy. Oh, no. Okay, so we're back. And this is what happened now. Anyways, let's make burgers. Okay. Hello, sir. Nagsisitayuan talaga sila. Ayun. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Ba't ang dami nyo? Uy. Teka, ang dami nyo dito. Yan, level 2. Ay. Thank you. Balik kayo. Pero ano? Meron ng mga bags. Ngayon ko lang napansin yung mga bags na yun. Ay, mali. Uy, level 3. Yan na boy, mag-stock ka na. Ang dami. Oh. Okay. Tagal mo naman dyan, boss. Yan. Oh. Anong customer? Ayun, oh. May mga bag. Sheesh! Kain ho. Eat well. Yes! Yeah, thank you po. Yan, 351. Very good. Okay. Mga pala, bibili tayo ng green. Tapos, ano natin to? Ah, hindi pala enough manica. Thank you po. $45. Not bad. Thank you. Not bad. Ano to? Ay, yung ano. Dito. Yan. Nice one. Okay. Order tayo patty. 3 agad. Siyempre. May task na kailangan gawin. Yan. Uy! Gusto nila yung bago kong Hoy! May gift. Thank you po kung sino man nagbigay na. Wait lang naman. Mali. Yan naman. Okay, thank you. Hello. Hindi ko pa pala nalilinis yung ano. Yan. Tapos may coke pa pala dito. Ano ba? Yan, syempre pinakamataas yung ano ba yan? Pinakamataas na price yung kukunin natin. Ayan, nandito na yung ating drink, yan, there we go. Buti na lang talaga mabilis na delivery. Yung paper cup, yan, paper cup. Ay, sir. Wait lang, wala pa pala ang ginagawa. Oops. Hey, level 5, let's go. Okay. So, 30. 30. Thank you. 30. Oh. Shit. Yay, level 6. Let's go. Goodbye. Wing stuff.
Hello. Let's go.
Sige nga. Ang tagal naman, oh. Uy, expansion! Ay, fuck. Yung level 7 agad. Boy. Ano, this one. Ay, wala pa akong pera. Wala pa akong pera. Wait lang. Siyempre, mataas ang benta natin sa price. 190. 121 ka. Parang useless din pala pag ano, no? Pag cleaner. Ay, hello sir. Sorry. May ginawa lang. Ay, wala pang ano, walang drink. Level 8, wala pang drink. Wait lang. Day 4 na tayo ngayon. Yun, may tubo tayo na $37.60. Okay na rin yun, kung akong tatanungin. Pero di naman ako nagbi-business, kaya wala pa na-order ng price, no? Kasi wala pa tayong, malamang, wala pa na-order ng price. Kasi wala pa tayo nung, fryer. Tsaka wala pa tayong price talaga mismo. Ayoko mag-hire ng cashier. Ayoko nga, pero kailangan kasi. Hello.
Let's go.
Ayan, 80, yan. Yan, mirigtan ka na, boy. Dali, ang tagal. Ayan na. Deliver niya. Order ready. Thank you. Ang laki iba. Ano na to? Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift is here. What the flip? Why is Taylor Swift here? Thank you very much. Rush R. Okay. Some more. There we go. Wait, I need to do the... There we go. And this, I need to try these too. Let's see. 21. Okay, that's not bad. And I will hire a stalker.
Let's go.
There we go. Wait, I hired... Hell no. I can't believe it. I can't believe I did that wrong. No. Yan, level 11 na tayo. 11 na tayo, guys. Hello, sir. Hello. 634. Yan. Next. 157. Sorry, Ana. Huwag muna kayo. Sorry, ay. Sorry naman. Satisfying. Ang laki. What the flip? Ba't ganun kalaki yun? What the flip? Hello, sir. 44. I mean, there you go. Finally. Jeez. Okay. Machine counter at the top. Oh, I need 60. Hold on. Level 12. Hold on. I need to finish the day. Bruh. There's Taylor Swift again. Taylor Swift is here again. Okay, that's nice. So, yun na to. And, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video right here. There you go. We need to clean up and, yun, sana nag-enjoy kayo. At ito ang first part ng ating series. So, yan. Binili ko na yun. And, yeah. See you guys sa susunod. Bye!